Hello, do you like to travel? Oh, I love it. And for me, the best way to know a city to go around is by bicycle. Now you're able to start flying again, to visit some other cities and go around. And I love to bring my bicycle. But as you know, airlines charge lots of money to put a bicycle inside of the airplane. It's like $100, $40, $150. I heard, I have a group from the people that like to go to Camino de Santiago, and the guy said that this week they charged him $190, 190, to carry his bicycle inside of the airplane one way. It's a lot, it's like, who? And this is one of the best and most important reasons that I like to travel with my darling Brompton. Yes, that's why I get very interesting towards buying a Brompton, because it gets so small, then you can fit inside of a Delsey 29 suitcase. And on this video, I'm gonna show you how to do it. I've done some other videos about it, but this week I received a comment from VS saying that he has a 29 suitcase, but it doesn't fit. The Brompton doesn't fit in his suitcase. The thing is, there's a little catch. There's one thing you have to be aware of, is the width. It's not every suitcase, it's not every 29er suitcase that will fit. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the dimensions of this suitcase. This is a Delsey Paris 29. I had a hard case once, and now I have a soft case. They both work. The only thing is that the hard case, with time, it gets very fragile and it breaks. And the soft one, lasts longer. So for you to know, the best way to travel with your Brompton is on the headband. Yes, it's just that. In my case, my Brompton is like 12 kilos, and most of the airlines, the limit is 10 kilos. So it's not every airline that you can put your Brompton on the headband. It does fit. Amazing, but it does fit. My second favorite way to travel with my Brompton is inside of IKEA bag. Usually I do this when I arrive in the airport, and at the airport I put all my bicycle together, I put the Brompton ready to go and start riding from the airport with all my luggage, everything in it. So it's my second favorite one, But sometimes if you're gonna stay in the same hotel, or you wanna buy some little things, to bring it back, the suitcase is the third best way. You can see that the Brompton is a bit smaller than the suitcase, so you still have this little part here to put whatever you want. Not much, because you have to be aware of weight. They're only allowing now 23 kilos, so you have to be aware of. But let me show you how it works. Well, as you can see, the Delsey 29, it's bigger than the Brompton, so it really fits very easy. The only thing I take it out is the saddle. Okay, it doesn't have to be a Delsey 29, but it could be other 29s. The only thing you have to pay attention to is this here. The Delsey is very wide. Let me show you how wide is it. Actually, another thing that you have to check is if it opens from the top. The ones that opens in the middle, they don't work well. Oh, you can put a Brompton and check it out, but I couldn't find any luggage that opened in the middle that would fit well. Check it out. It's 30 centimeters wide. Okay, let's check size. As you can see, it's much higher than the Brompton. Okay, let's check the width and the length. First, let's check the width. And that's the part that you really have to check it, because a lot of 29 inches suitcase, they're very high, they're very large, but the width, you know, it doesn't fit. The Brompton does, you cannot close it. Let me show you. This one has 30 and the Brompton has 26. So you still have a little space, you know, to put it around. The only thing that you won't fit will be this part here. That's why I have to take the saddle out. So when you go inside, it goes like this and it fits. Let me show you. Before we put the Brompton inside of the Delsey, let me measure the suitcase. Okay, the height without the wheels is 71 or 70. The width or the length? No, I don't know. Well, anyway, this part here is 50 centimeters. And that's the most important part. You need a suitcase at least with 29 centimeters. Yes. Let me show you. Let's put it inside. This bag, I use it only to carry my Brompton, so it's always ready to fly. I put this to protect in some cardboards. And usually I put the Brompton inside of IKEA bag. It's a regular, yeah, 2 cardboards and this foam to protect it. As you can see, it's a regular Delsey, nothing to it. Let's take the saddle out. Okay, when I travel, I always take the hinge out so it won't get damaged, you know, both of them. Better safe than sorry. Another thing that I always take it out, okay, I did forget last time and it did break, is the hook. In this case, I'm not gonna take it out because I'm not gonna check in. Let's take our saddle out. Remember, if you're gonna take your saddle out, you have to put it back in. So, good thing to do is mark. See, the pentaclip is marked, the rail is marked. So when I put it back in, I just put on the mark. Easy. Yeah, I'm lazy. By the way, I'm Christine from Chris Bye Bye. Yes, channel. And if you do like this tip, you can give special thanks, super thanks, and check if you are subscribed, because sometimes, I don't know, you think you're subscribed to the channel but you didn't, or you did subscribe but you didn't click on the little bell. This little bell will tell you about all the videos when they come out, and usually it's on Saturday like this one, but sometimes I have quick tips that I posted whenever they happen. So let's go on. Righty, tighty, lefty, loosey. I like this. I think so cool. You don't have to lose it a lot, just enough to take it out. Because this way we'll stay at the marks. You see the mark? Here's for the pentaclip, that's down and up. And here for the rail, that's front and back. Don't forget to take them out. If I was checking my Brompton in, I would put some protections here, okay, and cover all the pointing parts, okay, and I would put in an IKEA bag. For this video, I'm just gonna show you how to put inside of the luggage. If you guys couldn't understand how it fits, you know, and wants to know about the size, the dimension, so here it is. Let me show you. Oh, by the way, if you do have any doubt, anything that I could help you with, tell me. Tell me in the comment a video that you want me to do, you know, and if I can do it, I'll be happy to do it. So let's put it in. It's so easy. You just get this here and put it in. That's it. That's it. It's fantastic, isn't it? Let me show you. It's amazing. It fits right on it. And the part that I told you, you can put things here. Usually put it here. I put underneath something to protect the wheels. I put it there. I put here. There's place. So you can put all around, especially like clothes and things that are soft and protects the bike. And it's fantastic. Look at it. I'm just gonna close it. And that's it. Let's close. I know, I always get impressed by it because it's amazing. See? There's a Brompton inside. Is that cool? I think so cool. I've traveled with my Brompton inside of this suitcase for so many times. I lost count. The only time that something happened was on this last trip. I was very tired. I have been riding the whole day long, and I had to get the subway and the train and to go to the airport, and I was tired, and I realized after I packed my whole Brompton that I forgot to take the hook out, so it did break. So the whole total is 17 kilos, Brompton and suitcase. So you still have like 6 kilos to, you know, buy some little nice things, bring it back, or for your clothes to take to your place. That's your destiny. The thing that I like about this option is that you don't have to declare that's a bicycle, so you won't be extra charged because of it. You know, just the suitcase, regular suitcase. But I do recommend that you have a insurance for your bicycle. Yeah, I do have insurance, a travel insurance, because I don't know, they lose so many luggage around. It's a shame. So the thing is, protect your Brompton inside, outside, and especially on the pointing parts. You know, everything that's pointing out, protect it. The pedal, the frame, you know, the handle, you know, little things, the seat post, all of this, you have to put extra protection, because then the chances that your Brompton will arrive in perfect conditions are big. As I told you, I only had one little thing that broke. That was the hook, but it was my fault. If I did took it out, nothing would happen. If you did like it, thumbs up. So VS, thank you for the question. It doesn't have to be a Delsey. It could be other 29ers. The only thing you really have to pay attention is how wide it is. And yes, my Brompton's still here. Let me show you how easy it is and how it fits. It always amazes me. Thanks. Fantastic. Hope you like it. Bye-bye.